Lesson number one. Don't ever have kids.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine.
Jesus!
I get boat!
Hey! It's just a thing! At least you still got a son!
Alright, take what's in my pocket. A couple $1,000. That'll cover it, right? So you sure you're good?
Yeah, I got this.
Alright.
Ooh, I'm gonna come up front.
Get out and walk around.
It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this dude.
See ya!
Yeah, whatever, homie. Peace.